I can't hear you. I said, are you ready?
Yes!
That's better. Welcome to the Earth Space Defense Center. New recruits, our mission begins with this: the recovered AI sphere, a mysterious alien artificial intelligence.
Now, based on the energy reading, it's a small, unmanned probe broadcasting a message that keeps repeating.
Recruits, this is the perfect opportunity for you to experience firsthand what the Flying Command Center can really do. We need to get up there, and fast, to inspect and identify that signal. Report to the loading area, I'll meet you there. And welcome to the ESD Research and Technology Center.
You heard the man! Your mission begins now! Move! Come on, move! Max, we meet you on the other side. Be safe out there, and make us proud. Good luck, and Godspeed.
All recruits, please pay attention to the following safety instructions. As you board the spacecraft, please move to the end of your row before taking a seat. Secure any loose clothing or scarves, and do not leave long hair exposed. Place all loose articles in the storage bags located under each seat. Please ensure that your restraints are properly fastened. Investigate, analyze, and possibly capture the alien probe. Don't worry, we have fighter escort, and should there be any trouble, remember, the Flying Command Center is virtually indestructible. Let's do this for the future of Earth.
Just a small part of our growing fleet here at the Command Center in Kuala Lumpur. We are about to see our next generation Type 2, fully armed and ready to come to our defense. Say hello to our squad leader, Wolfman.
Don't worry, recruits. We got your back. We will rendezvous with our fighter escort topside.
Thanks, Wolfman. We are ready for you to guide us through the wormhole generator.
Follow me.
Roger. Recruits, have you ever seen Kuala Lumpur like this before? Engage wormhole generator.
Wormhole generator at full power.
Okay, prepare for jump to hyperspeed. Welcome to Saturn, folks. That's no probe.
Shields up.
Force field generator activated. Wait a second, I'm detecting no signs of life. I think it's abandoned.
Let's take a look.
After you.
Okay. Got formation. Everybody stay alert. We're going in.
We're inside a destroyer-class attack. The power core's been shut down. No wonder we couldn't read its energy signal from Earth. Wait, those are bioluminescent life forms. My scan should have picked them up.
Unless your scan is jammed.
That makes no sense. It's a trap!
Watch your tail, pal. You got close to 12 o'clock.
What's that first line?
Let's get out of here. I'm taking it slow. Hold on.
Lay down some cover fire.
Where are you, Max? You're into a hornet's nest. Max, where are you?
We're okay for the moment. Strike that. Like a one right in front of me. Oh man, our shields are being jammed, firing up these weapons.
Coming back. Fuck boy occupied. But you, get out of here.
We'll never make it. We've got to capture the central core and destroy it.
How?
I can identify the target, but only you have the tech to take it out.
Hybrid torpedo.
Affirmative. That should solve the problem.
Let's move.
Central core, dead ahead.
Powering up.
That's it, little man, light it up.
Get him away.
There's our exit. Come on, baby, you can do it. I've got power, but I can barely control it. We're coming in hard. Can't control the ship. Look out. Auxiliary power stabilizers. I think I got it under control.
Hold on, Max. We're picking up an alien signal. Something came back through the wormhole.
He's right in front of us.
Not so fast, little boy.
Hey, man, you're back.
I said I had your back. Nice going, recruits. Not bad for your first mission.
Not bad. I think we just saved the planet. Congratulations, recruits. Today is your Independence Day.
Wow.
We're all in this together. We want the forest to live forever.
Private Doc, at your service. The new cadets are joining the general voting. Charge your formations, Leafman. Only as strong as your weakest link. We have to be ready in an instant to battle models. That's right. Longstrange loves a surprise attack.
The panther belongs to our collection!
Oh, man, it's gonna be so happy to see you.
Bayad!
He led his apes in peace, but at our most desperate hour, he helped us. We might have made it. We might have lived together in peace, but hate and fear are powerful things. War broke out between apes and humans. Caesar and I tried our best to stop the fight.
Do you copy? This is Malcolm. We have a visual on you. Stay sharp and hurry. Those soldiers could be anywhere. We think we saw Caesar head into the warehouse. We have to find him before the Alphas do. Wait, what was that noise? The apes must be near. Watch your backs and keep quiet. Any sign of Caesar? Quiet.
Humans betrayed apes. Apes showed mercy. Now you're here to finish us off. Together, strong.
Caesar, wait! These are friends. Caesar, they are not the enemy. That's the enemy. Get out of here.
No!
Keep moving. The soldiers have found us. Go right. Stay to the left and go through that garage.
Omega! Showtime, Alphas! And I want it clear! I want it clean! I want it raised to the...
Close call.
not going anywhere now. Time to radio the colonel.
Team, you've got to help them. Full speed ahead.
Don't let those eight sympathizers get away! Move it, lieutenant!
Turn right. There should be a doorway just ahead.
We have a visual on the eight lovers. Force them into the alley and get the gotcha position.
There they are! Fire! Stop! Stop! Quick! Full reverse! Look out!
Caesar hopes apes and humans will be friends one day. Now, best you go.